वेलकम टू द न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ मोमोज विद मोइज। अगर आज आपकी स्क्रीन की ब्राइटनेस ज़्यादा लग रही है तो वो आपकी स्क्रीन की तकलीफ नहीं है, बिकॉज वी हैव विद अस मिस धनश्री गंधारे। शी इज इनटू टूर्स एंड ट्रेवल्स लाइक वी ऑल नो। सो धनश्री, माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मोस्ट ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चन कि व्हाई डिड यू जॉइन BNI? व्हाट वाज योर इनिशियल थॉट प्रोसेस?
Moise, I joined BNI because one of the, as usual, we know somebody comes to us, like some member, he comes to us or he or she, and they tell us about BNI, blah 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 blah, everything. But it did not happen with me. I came to know about BNI through one of my friends. She was not a part of BNI. So Sara Chinthanawala, she was a friend of that friend. So she just asked that would you be interested in joining one organization where you can get the business. I said I was very reluctant to join BNI initially, but then I said okay, let me see if I would like to join it or not. Then that lady, she persistently, she was behind me that when are you going to give the check, when are you going to, I said okay, so just
It happened.
Yeah, it just happened, and then I joined BNI, and BNI was not that big in Nagpur. It was very new, and we were the first chapter, and I am one of the founding 13 members in BNI. So just with the intention of okay, I'll get some BNI. If not business, then I'll get some learning. I'll get to know people in Nagpur who are doing business. So that's why I joined BNI.
Dhanashri, what is your take on before BNI and after BNI?
BNI is very first organization that I joined with the intention of doing business. So I'm also very not very outward person. I'm a little introvert person. I'll not go and ask for business if I want to. And I'm in such a business like you have to be very outward, extrovert. So before BNI. I was not going to people and asking for business, but BNI taught me how to
business
ask.
तो मांगना पड़ता है।
Yes, मांगना भी कुछ चीजें मांगनी पड़ती तभी मिलती है. So BNI taught me that, and there is a very so many good people, good networking.
Dhanashri, how BNI helped you in such tough times? Because ये आपके लिए बहुत tough time था, जो कोविड का जो था, पूरा लॉकडाउन था.
Yes, सबके लिए, और ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म में तो सबके यानी सबसे ज़्यादा टफ टाइम था. सबसे अफेक्टेड इंडस्ट्री ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म थी. तो इससे हमारी पर BNI ऑनलाइन मीटिंग्स होती रहती थी. उसकी वजह से हम लोग रेगुलरली एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में थे, तो नेटवर्किंग था. So it was kind of
you were into the game.
Yeah, I was into the game, and yes, आप बिजनेस में जब तक आप लोगों के दिमाग में रहोगे और आंखों के सामने रहोगे तब तक वो याद रखेंगे. तो BNI की ऑनलाइन मीटिंग से that helped me.
Yes. Dhanashri, which BNI core value you like the most?
If you ask me, then yes, building relationship, that is one of the 7 core values, and that I like the most in core values. Because पैसे तो वैसे भी आपको बिजनेस तो आप कहीं से कहीं ना मिल ही जाएगा, पर जो रिलेशनशिप BNI डेवलप करता है, जो मेंबर्स में जो क्लोजनेस और जो ट्रस्ट डेवलप करता है, जो बॉन्ड बन जाता है, दैट इज अमेजिंग. So building relationship, that core value I love the most. Yeah.
So what more is to BNI except networking and referrals?
We know that we are in BNI for business, for giving referrals, for getting referrals, and for doing business. But other than that, in BNI, especially in our chapter, there are so many people, good, well-known people who are doing business in Nagpur since last so many years, and I'll not say I'm very young, but my business is very young. So just due to BNI, I get to learn so many things from each and every person in the BNI, and that could be a personal, that could be a business learnings. So yes,
so there is a lot more to BNI except networking and referrals.
Yes.
So friends, this was the brightest episode of Momos with Moise. We got to learn a lot of things from Dhanashri. So if you got any suggestions, please write in chat box. Thank you for now. Bye bye.